Haaland has seen his career take off once again, after splashing £4 million on a new private jet. The Manchester City superstar was grounded by a foot injury before returning as a sub in Wednesday's 3-1 win over Burnley.
Striker Haaland previously owned a Piper M600 plane, together with dad Alfie and partners in Norwegian company Solar M600. They sold the aircraft late last year, with aviation insiders expecting the 23-year-old to charter flights in the future.
But Norwegian paper Finansavisen reported the group have now bought a luxurious Pilatus PC-12 private plane. The jets cost between £3.3 million and £4.50 m. Read more on Haalandtopner. Erling Haaland, incredibly tipped to be first footballer to earn £1 billion up. Get £40 in free football bet builder bets when you stake £10 with Paddy Power. Dubbed the Swiss Army knife of planes, they have 6 business class seats.
Aviation broker Carl Christian Gunnestad said, "We usually liken this plane to a Mercedes SUV. It has a luxurious cabin designed by BMW, and a state-of-the-art cockpit. It is perfect for families or business people."
Haaland's fortunes have soared since joining City in 2022, winning the Champions League, Premier League and FA Cup in his first season. Most read in Football Deadline Day brochure exit exclusive. Spurs £50 million Dominic Solanke deal, Benrahma to Lyon. Liverpool 4 Chelsea 1 Reds run riot, and Nunez sets unwanted record as Blues fume over VAR. To come. Mourinho keen on sensational Man United return as he has unfinished business. No kidding. Lauren Goodman sets up Instagram for son she shares with Kyle. Tags footballer. The specs on Haaland's new plane: takeoff distance 2,485 feet, max cruise speed 290 ktas, range 1,903 nautical miles, max passengers 10 plus 1, pilot, max payload 2,236 pounds, max altitude 30,000 feet. Casino special. Best casino welcome offers. The Norway international has since undergone some turbulence, missing almost 2 months through injury and seeing City fall 5 points behind Liverpool.
But he now hopes to land more silverware, helped in part by being able to travel in style. Haaland is in line to earn his first start since coming back from his foot injury on Monday against Brentford.
He managed 23 minutes of football on his return to action against Burnley.